Hello friends, I am Miss Priyanka Dange. Today I am here for a discussion on unit number 6 of subject construction management. So today we will have a discussion on artificial intelligence technique. So this artificial intelligence is popularly known as AI technique, and it is an area of computer science concerned with designing intelligent computer systems that exhibit the characteristics we associate with intelligence in human behavior. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that is concerned with automation of intelligent behavior. Many tasks involving intelligence or pattern recognition are performed very easily by animals but are extremely difficult to automate. For instance, animals recognize various objects and make sense out of the large amount of visual information in their surroundings, requiring very little effort. This task is performed by animals' neural network. So, neural network is a series of algorithms that attempt to identify underlying relationship in a set of data by using a process that mimics the way of human brain operations. Neural networks are composed of interconnecting artificial neurons or nodes or programming contracts that have the properties of biological neurons. Neural network is a machine that is designed to model the way in which the brain performs a particular task or function of interest. The network is usually implemented by using electronic components or is stimulated in software on a digital computer. If we focus on the characteristics of neural network, the characteristics are mapping capabilities, generalization, robust, fault tolerant, parallelism, flexibility, adaptive learning, and self organization. So, first is the mapping capabilities. They can map input patterns to their associated output patterns. The second characteristics is the generalization that can predict new outcomes from past trends. Third is robust. Fourth is fault tolerant, which recall full patterns from incomplete, partial, or noisy patterns. Fifth is parallelism, which can process information in parallel at high speed and in a distributed manner for real time tasks. And next important characteristic of neural network is flexibility. The network automatically adjusts to a new environment without using any programmed instructions. The next important characteristic of neural network is adaptive learning. It is an ability to learn how to do tasks based on the data given for training or initial experience. The neural network is a self organized network. Next is the biological neuron. So, biological neuron is a nerve cell of biological neuron and which consists of dendrites, soma and axon. The function of dendrites is to receive signals from other neurons. The function of soma is to sum up all the incoming signals, and the function of axon is to map input into output. If we see the properties of biological neurons, the biological neuron signals are received by the processing elements. The weight at the receiving end has the capability to modify the incoming signal. The neuron fibers means transmits output when sufficient input is obtained. The output produced from one neuron may be transmitted to other neurons. The weights can be modified by experience. If we see the working of neural network, a neuron is made up of several protrusions called dendrites and a long branch called axon. These entities are used to receive and pass information to other neurons. The neurons are connected with synapses to form a basic biocomputational system. The meaning of connection is interpreted as the relations between the neurons. So, if we see the basic architecture of neurons and connections, it shows dendrites, axon, and nucleus or soma. The dendrites and axon are the channels for receiving and transmitting information. The synapses process limitations and stimuli. The reaction signal is produced and computed by neurons. It is understood that the entire procedure of information processing and sharing is conducted in three steps. So, first step is the receiving information, second step is the processing information, and third step is the responding to the information. Next, we will focus on the applications of artificial neural network in areas of construction management or civil engineering. So, it finds applications in design of construction methods. This includes configuration of crews, choice of construction methods, man-machinery trade-offs, choice of transportation modes for the movement of materials, personnel, and equipment. It also helps in selection of optimum sizes, configurations, and method of jointing of various components in modular and deep excavation problems. The second application of artificial neural network is concrete mixing and placement. The choice of materials, choice of placement methods, configuration of crushing, batching and transportation, and design of formwork can be done by ANN. The next important application of ANN is constructability evaluation. So, the choice of construction materials, selection of best design function, cost combination, bid packaging, and choice between prefabricated and in situ construction materials can be done by using ANN. The ANN also helps in project planning, scheduling, and control. The artificial neural network also provides temporary facilities layout so as we can get the idea about the access roads, parking areas, change rooms, material laydown areas, fabrication shops, etc., which are in a site layout. The artificial neural network also finds applications in project management also. So it helps in selection of contract type, design, checking and management of design changes, construction contract formulation, project financing options, pre-qualification of contractors and formulation of technical specifications. The artificial neural network also help to construction company management, which consists of planning of financial and equipment policy. It also finds applications in selection, diagnosis and repair of construction equipment. The artificial neural network also plays an important role in material management. So, choice of material, scheduling, order, movement of materials, handling, testing, and use of explosives can be done by this artificial neural network. And one more important application of this ANN is we can handle the legal issues for negotiation of strategies and changing conditions of management. So, this is about the artificial neural network. Thank you.